They go down inside and they can stay inside this cave. The people who get the bird's nest can stay for days in there. They live down here, maybe for 4 or 5 days. And they live 2 hours up and just light fires to see what they're doing. You can actually hear them, apart from the birds. Yeah, I think that's them, alright. We'll have a closer investigation. There's Bang Bang, down there now. Just from the brief few minutes I left him, he's gone this far in the cave. And you can see just how far out down he is. He's just gone now. But this is, a couple of 100 feet, right to the very, very top.